Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. When you open NBA 2K24 game and an error pop-up 6f8ce31b on your screen, don't panic, I will give you some solution to fix this error and enjoy your game. So watch the video till the end. Solution 1. First up, the age-old trick, off and on again. Sometimes all it takes is a simple reboot of your system and console to clear up the task disk connection issue. So give it a shot. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable are securely connected and properly insulated. Don't forget to inspect your firewall and router setting as well. Solution 3. Ensure that your NBA 2K24 game is up to date. Check for any patches and update released by 2K Sports. If any update is available, then update it first and also check the graphic driver. Solution 4. Don't forget to verify your game file under the property. Check for any corrupted or missing file. If found, they will be reinstalled and potentially resolving the error. Solution 5. And finally, if all is failed, there is a last option, uninstall and reinstall. It is a drastic measure, but sometime a fresh install is all you need to wipe out those errors for good. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.